So, hello everyone, good day. My name is Aldrin A. Sampitan, and my report for today is the balance scorecard. So, first we will read the definition of the balance scorecard in a book. It is an integrated framework describing strategy through a set of linked performance measure in four balance perspective. So, what are those four? The financial, customer, internal process, employment, learning, and growth. So, basically, guys, balance scorecard in other contexts, we will iigo na to siya sa crime mapping. It is a balanced scorecard and ensure that crime statistics are not viewed isolation but analyzed alongside with operational effectiveness, community impact, and organizational capability. Basically, guys, the balance scorecard is using by the law enforcement agency to evaluate, monitor, and improve prevention and response linking to crime data. Wala siya ang balance scorecard. Next, next is the perspective. So what is perspective? Kung sa Tagalog pa, pananaw sa isa ka tao. Ganon. A perspective is a group of objective and metrics with a scoreboard. So kung unsa to'y naka sa scoreboard, una to ilang mga objectives. Use commonly perspective are in financial, customer, process, improvement, organizational, and people. And perspective may customize to organization. Perspective process a cause and effective in a relation toward the outcome of perspective. So, balance scorecard is connected also in perspective. Kaya nasa divide siya into, if I am not mistaken, into 5. But my report is only 3, the perspective and the scorecard itself. So, the next one is the scorecard. A scorecard itself. The scorecard contains a set of group objective metrics from the organization strategy. A scorecard may represent an organizational group. So what are those groups? Example, here is an agency, department, or office. One is lang organizational group. Scorecard is commonly cascade within the organizational hierarchy. So basically guys, ang scorecard kanang kung scorecard kung ihalintulad nato siya sa crime mapping, it is an management and evaluation tool used to measure performance using specific indicator kung unsay nakabutang dito sa balance scorecard na result nila. So kumbaga, gina-convert data into maps into measurable performance indicator. Those are some example. It shows whether police strategies are effective or need to adjust. Diha sila mag-base sa scorecard. So the next PPT will be reported by my co-reporters. And that's all. Thank you.